ElectraCast.
Whatever the occasion, effortless elegance is right this way. Because Hilton brings you new ways to stay courtesy of the Nomad London. And it doesn't stop at award-winning dining in a space draped in velvet and illuminated by vintage chandeliers. No, this day goes beyond with unparalleled personalized service and attentive hospitality. Oh, and did we mention the Nomad London can be booked using your Hilton Honors points at Hilton.com? Hilton, for this day.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for June 11th, 2025.
NASA's Glenn Research Center participated in the Big Science Celebration at the Center for Science and Industry Museum in Columbus, Ohio, drawing over 20,000 visitors despite cold and damp weather. Exhibits included a mini wind tunnel, augmented and virtual reality demonstrations, and a cosmic selfie station. NASA Glenn's astronaut mascot appeared multiple times during the event. 4 employees at NASA Glenn received the Silver Snoopy Award, an honor personally given by astronauts for outstanding contributions to flight safety and mission success. These recipients have been instrumental in supporting the Artemis program, including work on the Orion spacecraft and its European service module. At Education Day with the Lake Erie Crushers baseball team, NASA Glenn showcased hands-on science activities inspired by Artemis missions to more than 3,500 fans, many of whom were local students. NASA is consolidating over 400 social media accounts across 15 platforms into a more unified digital strategy. This effort aims to improve accessibility, reduce confusion, and focus on delivering high-quality content. At NASA's Ames Research Center, engineers calibrate airborne scientific instruments to ensure accurate data collection. The MAST or spectrometer was recently calibrated after being used to study prescribed fires in the southeastern United States and for emission mapping critical minerals in the southwestern United States. Astronomers using NASA's James Webb Space Telescope identified 83 small, young galaxies in the Ebbell 2744 galaxy cluster. These galaxies emitted strong ultraviolet light that contributed to rionizing the early universe approximately 800 million years after the Big Bang. The telescope's advanced instruments and gravitational lensing enabled detailed study of these star-forming galaxies. NASA's Terra Satellites MOPITT instrument ended its 25-year mission monitoring carbon monoxide. Newer missions such as TROPICS and ICESat-2 are improving storm tracking and mapping changes in ice and seafloor. The SAGE-3 instrument on the International Space Station continues to enhance atmospheric monitoring. NASA also honored 2 longtime Earth science leaders who recently passed away or retired. On the International Space Station, the Expedition 73 crew conducted scientific experiments and maintenance after the delay of a commercial crew mission due to a rocket issue. Activities included protein behavior studies, life support system maintenance, and biology research carried out by astronauts, a Japanese space agency commander, and Russian cosmonauts. A NASA photographer captured a bobcat in the Merritt Island National Wildlife Refuge near Kennedy Space Center, which is home to more than 30 mammal species and hundreds of other animals. NASA released a new documentary, Cosmic Dawn, the untold story of the James Webb Space Telescope, highlighting the telescope's 25-year development, challenges faced, and groundbreaking discoveries. Space Center Houston held a celebration for the Expedition 72 crew, recognizing over 1,000 hours of scientific research on the International Space Station. Astronaut Suni Williams set a new record for cumulative spacewalk time by a woman during this mission. Finally, NASA's Curiosity rover successfully drilled a sample at the Altadena site on Mars. Scientists are analyzing the sample to learn more about the geology of Mount Sharp, while also monitoring weather phenomena such as dust devils and clouds to better understand the Martian environment. Those were the key activities from NASA on June 11th, 2025.
Subscribe to receive daily or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning into NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast Media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Hannah Riggs. Music by Amir Salale, I Say.
I'm Iris, host of Or Whatever Movies and the forthcoming Powers of Darkness podcast. For the better part of a decade, we've been unraveling a literary mystery that begins with a strange version of Dracula. Yes, that Dracula. It's a different story, imbued with a potentially insidious agenda. What we've already found so far reshapes what we thought we knew, but the investigation isn't over. Support our efforts to finish what we've started and bring the full story to light. Go now to Kickstarter.com and search up Powers of Darkness to learn more. Coming soon on ElectraCast, wherever you listen to podcasts.
ElectraCast. ElectraCast.